Today's video is very relaxing and satisfying. There's lots of organic tool and water sounds to help you fall asleep, so stay tuned.
Looks like so far is that your nail got trimmed at an angle like this, and your nail wall is supposed to go straight up to here, so your nail actually goes a little bit deeper right there. So when this got trimmed at an angle, this skin scooches in a little bit far, and then the nail that's still way down deep in your nail groove has to cut through that skin. So instead of being straight like this, it goes like that. So I'm gonna clean all of that out really good to make some more space so your nail can grow through that skin easier and it won't hurt so bad. Do you normally wear nail polish on your nails?
Yes.
Okay.
Sometimes the salons that I go to, they do cut it square, and then I feel like that also hurts on the side, and so I think the last time I went, she did cut it at a curve, and it still kind of hurts a little.
People misinterpret what square means. They think it's, you know, if it's, as long as it's straight across the top, but then they cut it at an angle like a trapezoid. It's like, no, you know, straight sides, and then you can round the top to meet those sides.
That makes sense.
Yeah, you don't want to cut it at an angle. Did you drop something on your toe?
Yes, and I can't remember what it was. I know it was in a fit of anger that I accidentally dropped something on it, or I can't remember what it was. I did it twice. That was the kicker. That I don't know when I did it.
Well, I guess it's good that you've forgotten.
Yeah, at this point, it's
your body's way of saying, let go of it.
That anger obviously wasn't worth it at the time, right. So exactly. I can't remember.
Is it really uncomfortable, like now?
No.
Okay, good. Some pretty hard stuff down in here too. Like all of that's not connected. That's gonna come out. See, our body makes these little layers of protection, just like our heels get calluses and the balls of our feet can form a callus. The pressure from the nail pressing onto the skin can make little layers of protection that just get stuck down inside there.
I always feel like I have so much more extra because whenever I talk to my mom, it seems like she doesn't have this issue.
Is this corner more sore than this corner?
Actually, this side you're on is the one that's usually bothering me.
Okay. If you have any questions for me, feel free to ask.
I was actually just gonna ask one. I was gonna ask about the inside of it. So did it look like it was just a lot of skin built up there?
Yeah, and I'm gonna let it soak again, and then I'm gonna clean out more because it's really stuck down inside of there.
Okay. Yeah, because before there was like it almost looked like there was a bubble on my toe where my skin was, where it was so like raised and inflamed. Yeah.
Yeah, it's like pushing it out. You can see I pulled it away just to take a peek.
Mm-hmm.
So that's where your nail groove stops, about right there, because the nail had gotten cut inwards this way.
Okay.
So your nail wall, like if you were just looking at it, you would think that it's right here, because that's where they cut it to, like inwards, but it really goes out here.
Okay.
So there's more toenail way over here, like that's your sidewall right there. So I'm gonna have you get a product that'll keep your skin really moisturized.
Okay. That was gonna be my next question. Is so how do I? What
Yeah.
should I do to fix
So see, there's gonna be a great big piece of hard skin that comes out of here, right there. So you have what we would call, we need to recreate your nail groove for your nail to sit in. When the nail grows up, you know, it needs a groove for the nail to sit in. And yours kind of got disappeared or moved inwards. So it needs to cut through this skin, and you can see it was going diagonal. But if you get the nail mycosis product, it's got a humectant in it, and it will help your skin pull moisture from the surrounding area so it doesn't get all dried out. And then as the nail grows, it won't hurt while it's pushing through the skin. It'll be so moisturized that it'll just grow up.
Okay.
to compare the shape.
Thank you so much for taking time out of your day to visit my channel. People like you are the reason for my success, and I appreciate it so much. But remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel for all the latest videos. Remember, it is free, and I'll see you next time.